PSA for Tech Session. Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. On the weekend after Labor Day in 2019, September 5th and 6th, and maybe the 7th, we're thinking about holding a big tech session here at Pierre Hedary's in conjunction with the Melbourne Muscle Car Museum and our local Mercedes Benz Club of America section. This is going to be in preparation for a bigger national event that we're hoping to do in 2020. But in the meantime, I'd like to invite all of you out for this tech session. I will be revealing details as time goes on, but I'd like to have somewhere between 100 and 200 people come. And so this is going to culminate at the end with a big car show at the Melbourne Muscle Car Museum, and it is going to basically be 2 full days of fun, exciting tech presentations on Classic Mercedes. If you're interested in presenting, please let us know. If you're interested in attending, also please let us know. We figure that the easiest way to provide meals is going to be to have food trucks, so we're working with a number of local food trucks here to provide dining and everything like that. But the event's going to take place in Brevard County, Florida, where my shop is, and we're hoping if we end up using my shop as a venue for the tech sessions, then that's fine. But I'd like to find a better venue in the area that is air conditioning and screens and stuff that we could use. So we're also looking into that too. But please email me if you're interested in attending this event. I'd love to see some of my subscribers there. I'm sure that if I just had 1% of you guys, which would be 78 people, that would be amazing. So we hope to see some of you there. And in the meantime, if you want any details, just email me at mbownersforlife@bellsouth.net. This is one of the events that I promised in 2019 that we were going to have a big tech session. And so here it is. And it can't be possible unless people show up. So thank you all for your consideration. I hope to see some of you there.